Samsung Smart View option not showing. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to fix the issue where the Samsung Smart View option is not showing on your Samsung A12, A22 or A32. If you're trying to cast your screen to a TV or other device but the Smart View option just won't show up, don't worry, we've got you covered, so let's get started. The first thing to do is make sure your phone software is up to date. Sometimes the Smart View option can go missing if your phone is running outdated software, so let's check for updates. Go to settings on your Samsung phone, scroll down and tap on software update and tap on download and install if an update is available. Updating your phone ensures that all features including Smart View work correctly. After updating, try again to see if the Smart View option appears. Sometimes a simple restart can fix the issue. If Smart View isn't showing up, try restarting your phone to refresh the system. Press and hold the power button, select restart, wait for the phone to reboot and check if Smart View shows up. Restarting your device can help resolve minor glitches and get things working again, so let's move on to the next step. Lastly, make sure your Wi-Fi connection is stable so that Smart View can simply work on your phone and the device you want to cast, like your TV, and also make sure they are connected to the same Wi-Fi network. Both devices need to be on the same Wi-Fi network for Smart View to work. Once connected, check if the Smart View option shows up, and that's it. These are some of the best methods to simply fix the Smart View option not showing up on your Samsung A12, A22 or A32.